you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is my co-host, IK.
International King, for the women out there who don't know. But Dr. Ross, I see that you have the gorilla on right now, looking fly. Super fly, matter of fact.
Exactly, IK. I wear nothing but gorilla. You know, I saw Vanity in an interview recently, well not recently, but I saw her in an interview talking about how she wears gorilla fur. So,
we love it.
I searched and I searched and I searched, and we got a custom-made gorilla fur.
Debonair. Let's move into our hot topics for today.
But before we get into that,
Dr. Ross and I want to unveil the winner for the She's Hot contest.
That's
now
right.
We know that you guys have been waiting for the whole week, and our winner is none other than the Queen of Pop, Madonna, Madam X.
That's right. Miss Madonna Louise Kicone. Hopefully I pronounced your last name correctly, but she is an American singer, songwriter, and actress, referred to as the Queen of Pop. So we already know the King of Pop, Michael Jackson, and now we have the Queen of Pop. Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot winner of this week. You guys have been begging us to put her as the She's Hot winner because she's nothing but a vixen. And that's right.
Exactly.
Playboy International.
Playboy, or Playgirl for Madonna. But Madonna, we know that you're into the young, so only 4 more years. An international king. I'm here, I'm ready, and I'm available. I might be young, but 4 more years. That's all it takes. Let's move into our hot topics for today, starting it off with Khloe Kardashian. Khloe Kardashian posted full booty on Instagram to celebrate her stretch marks.
When do the Kardashians post something that's not the full booty, the full just butt naked? But I'm surprised she posted the stretch marks because it's a little bit of the American, I don't want to say American Barbie doll, but that's what it is, the American Barbie doll. But let's get
Dr.
to
Ross, she's posting the stretch marks because of the puff puff pass pass. Let's move into our next hot topic with Method Man. Dr. Ross and I, we recently watched the Wendy Williams movie and documentary. I like the movie a lot better than the documentary.
Yes,
but
I'm going to agree with you.
But Wendy Williams put some explicit scenes in there, and Method Man is going off.
You know, there's a lot of people that are actually having a little bit of issues with the Wendy Williams movie. Speaking of, if you watch the Wendy Williams movie, we're not going to spoil it too much, but Wendy Williams was in a relationship with one guy who she said used all her money on the car rental, and he was supposedly the broke boyfriend that she had, Eric B. And he actually thought that this was funny. He said the movie was hilarious to him, so he decided to go and post a really, really old photo before he had even met Wendy Williams, a giant chain on, standing next to a Rolls Royce, and said, "Damn, I think I need me a rental."
Flossing. And Dr. Ross, to add on to this topic, Method Man actually said no amount of plastic surgery can fix the ugliness. He's throwing a high jab at Willie Williams.
They're all throwing the jabs. That's what I'm saying, IK.
Williams
No
chicken,
offense.
Dr. Ross.
Exactly. No offense to Miss Willie Williams, but it seems like she really tried to up the movie to seem more than it was, maybe fantasizing some events that probably may or may not have happened.
But keep the seat warm. Let Dr. Ross and I take over your position. Global. Let's move into our next hot topic with Angelina Jolie. She says the past few years have been pretty hard, and she's been focusing on healing her family.
Now, Angelina Jolie, we want to take a second to think about that. It's good that you're healing your family, but what do you mean exactly when you say healing your family? Do you mean kicking Brad Pitt to the curb, or kicking Brad Pitt to the curb? Now, let's get into our next hot topic.
Lady Gaga shares the joys and heartbreak of making a new album with Tony Bennett as he battles Alzheimer's. And Dr. Ross, before we get into this, Madonna, I was about to say, you are the original Gaga. Just you went a bit cray-cray later on in your life.
Lady Gaga is the duplicate, the replica, like you said in one of your interviews, Madonna, where you did say, where they asked you once and they said, what do you think about Lady Gaga being the replica of you? And she said, that's exactly what it is. It's a replica. Look up the definition.
Revolutionary.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Tom Girardi. So Tom Giardi's brother, Robert Giardi, named temporary conservator after Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star's medical emergency. Dr. Ross.
Hopefully you feel better. Hopefully you get better and get back onto the show and keep being scandalous so you can keep pouring some wine in some other girls' faces and get your check.
But Dr. Ross, both of the Giardi brothers, they look like catfish players.
Hugh Hefner up in this place.
Playing the catfish on a Saturday evening. Let's move into our next hot topic with Jennifer Lopez. Jennifer Lopez's strapless corset takes the all-black look to a next level.
It's the same thing with the Kardashians. When is J-Lo not butt naked and going and taking something to the next level?
Go back home to your family, your kids. Go to his A-Rod. A-Rod's over there been lonely, but you've left him multiple times. Let's move into our next hot topic with Kendall Jenner. Kendall Jenner pulls off the disputed socks and sandals trend in sleek leggings and the puffiest slides.
It looks like she's trying to be comfortable. That's all we're going to say about that. On to our next hot topic with Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly. So this one was it got a little bit of a laugh out of me, but Machine Gun Kelly was recently on Saturday Night Live, and he was performing and fell off the stage. Megan Fox decided to cheer him on and said that this is the best performance Saturday Night Live has ever had on their show. And
Megan Fox, we know you're trying to puff it up because you're trying to make the Brian Austin Green look worse, but you can't say anything with someone who fell off of a stage. Machine Gun Kelly, your performances were already okay to Dr. Ross and I. So with you falling off the stage, maybe that made it better because you fell off. But stop doing the drugs. Hold a bit back on that. Let's move into our next hot topic with Deion Sanders. Deion Sanders' Super Bowl commercial could boost a Jackson State HBCUs.
I'm proud Deion is back in the news. We haven't heard about Deion in a minute now. He's been a little quiet. But, speaking of Super Bowl commercials, you might see us in the next Super Bowl commercial. So stay tuned for that. Keep your TV screens on and look out for Rose and Gold.
Indeed. And Dr. Ross and I, we want to say with Deion Sanders, keep on playing and keep on being the best coach.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Gwen Stefani. She reacts after Miley Cyrus offers to be her and Blake Shelton's wedding singer.
Don't do it to yourself. Don't do it. As much as we love Miley Cyrus as a person, Miley Cyrus is just going to hood out the wedding. Unless you want your wedding to be ratchet, that's all you're going to get from that.
But again, Miley Cyrus, let Dr. Ross and I give you that flair, give you that look. Get some of the Jamaican shampoo in your hair as well. You'll get the dreads, which will make you look better, especially with your hair color. Let's move into our next hot topic with Demi Moore. Demi Moore prepped her skin before her surprise Fenty runway appearance.
What happened to Bruce Willis? That's all I want to say. She was running around after him for a little bit and now went quiet, so...
Michael B. Jordan on being directed by Denzel Washington, adjusting to life in the pandemic. I grew up a lot.
Denzel Washington, we saw your movie recently the day it came out. We love your movie, The Little Things, and Ikea and I are ready and we're hungry to be into your next movie, Denzel Washington, or do a role with you. But we do want to say, it seems like Denzel is giving everyone lessons now. I've been seeing him on the master classes and now giving lessons to the Michael B. Jordan. So keep being the teacher player.
And Dr. Ross, to speak on his film, a lot of people were saying that it was maybe one of the worst films that he was in. It was nowhere near that.
It was fantastic.
Exactly. And if you haven't watched it yet, go see it for yourself at the movie theater near you.
The Little
if it's
Things.
open. Let's move into our next hot topic with Heidi Klum. Heidi Klum makes her round teddy coat pop with animal print pants and matching boots.
It's not the same as the gorilla photo.
100% gorilla. That's for you, Heidi Klum. And I
And
got
the
fox. The fox fur, faux fur.
IK and I keep it real and authentic up in this house.
Exactly. Filet mignon. Let's move into our next hot topic with Kate Beckinsale. Kate Beckinsale posts an incredible throwback photo as her daughter turns 22.
Happy 22nd birthday.
Taraji P. Henson adds to her hair care line, and you should enjoy taking care of yourself. Taraji, let Dr. Ross and I take over your hairline with the Jamaican products.
Yes.
Because right now, I hate to say it to you, but everyone who puts your stuff on, they're going to go out the other way saying this was not worth it.
Unless you were wanting your hair to look fucked up, then you're going to the right place. But if you want a little bit of spark, a a little bit of people that we've been doing it for forever. Look at our dreads. The proof is in the pudding. And you know, IK and I, we can teach you a little bit of our tricks.
Let's move into our final hot topic for today with Salma Hayek. Salma Hayek weighs in on Hilaria Baldwin's Harriage Courtesy.
When is Salma Hayek gonna post another bikini pic? These were all of our hot topics, and close it out for us, IK.
We want to say congratulations to Madonna once again, or I should have to say Madam X, for winning the She's Hot contest. We will be in contest.
Congratulations.
And stay tuned for the next She's Hot contest coming up next week. You know how it is. But the Jamaican shampoo is also up and available for sale with the new and improved version. If you'd like to get yourself some, our links will be in the description below. But other than that, Dr. Ross and I are out. See you, Kylie Jenner.